You've installed Windows 10 or you have taken the Microsoft's free upgrade offer within the first year. Either way, you now have Windows 10 operating system on your computer. The single most important thing you must do once you have Windows 10 is to create a system repair or boot disk. This is useful for running recovery tools and repairing your boot up options if Windows should ever have a problem in the future. So in this video, we're just going to run through how you create a system repair disk and boot disk for the Windows 10 operating system. It is slightly different to previous versions of Windows. For this procedure, you'll need one blank CDR of about 700 megabytes in size. So you'll need to make sure you have that, and that needs to be in your CD burning drive of your computer, or attached to a USB drive to burn it to it. There are other options to create a USB memory stick with repair tools and with Windows reinstallation bits and bobs on it, and I've created a separate video about that. There's a link in the description here. But in this instance, we're just going to look at creating a Windows bootable CD for Windows 10. So from your Windows 10 desktop, you will need to access the control panel in order to use the Create System Repair Disk tool. So from your Windows 10 desktop, in the bottom left-hand corner, you will see the search window. You can just in there type the word control, and eventually on the search bar it should show you the control panel desktop app. So just click on the control panel desktop app when that shows up. And once the control panel appears, you will by default see the category view, not the view I just showed you there, but the category view. If you click on view bar, you can then choose large or small icons, which will show you the further options available in the control panel. In here, just click on File History, and this will launch the File History app. Within here, it will just take a couple of seconds to quickly scan your drives and have a look at what changes have happened more recently. On this particular window, you'll see an option for system image backup. We need to click on that. We're not actually creating a system image, but I have created a video previously explaining how to do that in Windows 10. See the description for that. And once we've clicked on Create System Image previously, you will then get the Backup and Restore Files option. In here, we have obviously the Create System Image option, but we want to create a system repair disk, so just click on to that, of course. Now, ensuring that your blank CD or DVD is in your DVD burner drive and the drive is selected, you can then just hit the Create Disk option. And this will take a couple of minutes to actually burn the CD repair boot disk for Windows 10 for you. So we'll just let that do its stuff, and we'll come back to that in just a moment. And after a few minutes of your CD or DVD burner burning the disk, it will near completion. You will hear the disk just finishing as it writes to the actual CD or DVD disk. Once it actually completes, it will tell you basically how you use the disk and advises you to basically label it as a Windows 10 repair disk. We can then close that option and just press OK on the Create System Repair Disk options window. You can then close everything down, eject the disk that you've burned and created for the Windows 10 boot repair disk, eject that from your machine, and basically just store it in a safe place for future use. Okay, so that's basically how you create a system repair boot disk in Windows 10.